The morning air carried a slight chill as Jenna Morales unlocked the door to Velvet Tips, the boutique nail studio tucked between a coffee shop and a vintage clothing store. The soft chime of the door announced her arrival, though no clients were inside yet. Sunlight poured through the tall windows, illuminating rows of pastel polishes, peach, lavender, and deep burgundy, arranged meticulously on floating shelves. Jenna always started the day by rearranging them. Organization, she believed, kept chaos at bay. By 9:02 a.m., her first client arrived. Mrs. Evelyn Harper, a lively woman in her late 50s who loved leopard print nail art and always brought an elaborate story about her grandchildren. As Jenna draped a crisp towel over her station, Evelyn leaned in, lowering her voice. "Did you hear about that woman they found on Ponce de Leon? No one knows who she is." Jenna paused, filing Evelyn's nails slowly while maintaining a casual tone. "Another one? That's strange." Evelyn nodded, her eyes darting toward the window. "Yes, dear. The police have nothing. Just a body and a handbag. No ID, no witnesses." By 11:30 a.m., the salon was buzzing. Tanya, Jenna's assistant, was maneuvering the drill with precision, while the soft hum of the dryer blended with low R&B from the speakers. Jenna's phone buzzed on the counter. An alert from the local news app. "Unidentified woman found near Midtown Salon. Authorities urge witnesses to come forward." Her stomach sank. The description was eerily close to a client she had just finished yesterday. She shook it off, telling herself it was probably a coincidence. But the thought lingered like a stubborn hangnail. The front door chimed again, and a man in a gray hoodie stepped inside. He didn't greet anyone, just stood near the shelves, studying the polishes with a strange intensity. Tanya whispered, "Do we know him?" Jenna shook her head, tension prickling her skin. Something about him felt off. 2:15 p.m. The salon's midday calm was broken by a faint knocking at the back door. Jenna went to check and found no one. Just a small envelope taped to the door. Inside was a single card with words printed neatly. "Some secrets are painted over, but they always show through." A chill ran down her spine. Velvet Tips had always been a place of laughter, nail art, and chatter. But now, with the unsolved mystery pressing so close to home, every polish bottle, every appointment, even the hum of the dryers, felt tainted. By 6:50 p.m., as Jenna locked the salon for the night, the shadows stretched long across the floor. Outside, the streets glimmered under the soft glow of street lamps, but Jenna couldn't shake the feeling that someone was watching, waiting. Unsolved mysteries weren't supposed to knock at your door, but tonight one had, and it was staring right at Velvet Tips. That night, Jenna lay awake on her small studio apartment couch above the salon, the city lights flickering through the blinds. She couldn't stop thinking about the man in the gray hoodie and the cryptic card. Who was he? Why had he chosen Velvet Tips? And why now, after all these months of hearing about unsolved cases, did the mystery feel so personal? She grabbed her notebook and began jotting down every detail she could remember. The man's posture, the scent of his jacket, even the way he paused at certain polished shades. The next morning, at 8:37 a.m., Jenna arrived early to open the salon. Tanya was already there, arranging tiny jars of nail glitter. Jenna showed her the card, and Tanya's eyes widened. "That's creepy, Jen. I mean, someone's obviously playing with us, but why?" Jenna didn't answer. She was already scanning the security footage from yesterday. On the grainy video, the man's face was partially obscured, but his movements were deliberate. He didn't browse for polish. He was studying the layout, memorizing the space. By 12:05 p.m., the salon was packed. Women came and went, sipping coffee and gossiping about upcoming weddings, school events, and fall fashion trends. But Jenna's eyes kept flicking to the window, and every unfamiliar figure on the street made her heart skip a beat. When the man in the gray hoodie returned, this time closer to the front door, Jenna froze. He didn't enter, but stood there long enough for her to notice a small emblem on his jacket, a symbol she'd seen in the news reports about the other unsolved case. The air in the salon thickened, and Jenna realized with a sinking certainty that whatever mystery had followed these women before had now found its way into her world. By 2:42 p.m., Jenna could no longer ignore the tension creeping into Velvet Tips. A new client, a young woman named Marissa with striking green eyes and chipped black polish, arrived asking for a repair on her nails. She sat quietly, scrolling through her phone, but Jenna couldn't shake the feeling that Marissa's gaze kept flicking toward the window, toward the street outside. Something about her seemed familiar, but Jenna couldn't place it. Every time she looked up, the street appeared empty, yet the unease lingered like a shadow that refused to leave. Later, at 4:18 p.m., a delivery arrived for the salon, a small package with no return address. Jenna and Tanya opened it together, finding nothing inside but a folded piece of paper. Written in the same neat script as the card taped to the door the night before, it read, "Some doors are meant to be opened carefully. Watch what you touch." Jenna's hands trembled as she held it. The warning felt personal now, not just cryptic. Tanya glanced around nervously. "Jen, what if this is connected to the other cases? What if?" Her voice trailed off, and the two women exchanged a look filled with silent fear. The salon, once a place of color and chatter, now felt like a puzzle wrapped in shadows. By 6 p.m., the day was nearly over, but Jenna couldn't stop scanning the street outside. Becoming your own nail tech at home is not only fun, but it's also one of the most affordable ways to keep up with your beauty routine without breaking the bank. With a few beginner-friendly tools and polishes, you can create salon-quality nails right at your kitchen table, saving both time and money. It's a creative outlet too, letting you experiment with different designs, colors, and trends while learning a skill that pays for itself. And for my girls who don't have the time to sit down and do it all, I'll be launching my very own line of press-on nails on TikTok Shop. They're perfect for busy women balancing work, kids, and everything else life throws at us, while still making sure our self-care and maintenance don't get neglected. These press-ons are affordable, stylish, and super easy to apply, giving you that salon look without the salon price. To the channel where mystery meets obsession, I break down chilling cases, shocking twists, and unsolved stories you won't stop thinking about. Disclaimer: the crime stories shared on this channel are fictional and created purely for entertainment purposes. Viewer discretion is advised, as the themes may still include sensitive or suspenseful content. Watch as I bring you thrilling tales well. Thanks for watching. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe, and tap the bell so you never miss an upload.